And our first day here in our lesson, we talked about illuminating God. And I explained to them that Jesus came to serve, not to be served. And that's what we are to do. And they will be the ones to change this world.
From every state and small town road, they rode in with their tools and hope to Winchester, Kentucky. With paint on hands and dust on jeans, summer fire and simple dreams to serve somebody kindly. Old porch boards and broken steps, leaky pipes and windows next. They showed up before sunrise. Some cut wood and some scraped walls. Some carried prayers down all the halls with laughter in their eyes. And at the table they would pray with the families face to face, learning love that moves and stays. We are the hands and feet. We are the hands and feet, showing grace on every street. We are the hands and feet, free work, open hearts, changing homes, changing us. We are the hands and feet. We are the hands and
It gives a guy a good feeling to know that there are people who are interested in serving others, knowing about God.
around the living room they sat with open Bibles, wide-eyed chat, and stories of redemption. Kids and parents side by side, finding hope in Jesus Christ in every conversation. And the days became a song of the weak made brave and strong, where they belong, where love belongs. We are the hands and feet. We are the hands and feet, showing grace on every street. We are the hands and feet, free work, open hearts, changing homes, changing us. We are the hands and feet. We are the hands and feet.
Yeah, well, we were summer staff in 2023, and we were assigned to the same crew. So when we had 3 work camps that year, and yeah, and it ended up working out pretty good.
Yep. All these people say that Winchester's the best camp they come to. We treat these kids for a week like they're ours.
There's no reason for me right now to, there's no reason I have to be able to do the job I'm doing without the Lord. Like, I would not have the energy or the drive that I do without Him. I've kind of just learned to surrender everything to Him and let Him, like, I'm just His vessel, and He's just using me to get these jobs done. But without Him, there's absolutely no way I would have been able to do this job.
I have gotten over a lot of my fears, and I've been able to be more open about my faith towards others, and just like open in general. I'm not as shy as I was earlier.
With everything we do, we are the hands and feet. We are the hands and feet, showing grace on every street. We are the hands and feet, free work, Winchester holds the light in every tired smile. We are the hands and feet for a summer and a life.